welcome. Good day everyone. My name is Ben Ladin Z. Marandang. So here's I speech about the importance of election. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to talk about a fundamental pillar of our democracy, election. Election are not just a routine process, they are the heartbeat of our society, a powerful expression of our collective will and a chance for us to shape our future. Every election presents us with a opportunity to voice our opinion, to choose our leaders and to influence the policies that that affect our lives. It is our chance to stand up for the values we believe in, whether it's education, healthcare, the environment, our social justice. Its vote is a testament to our hopes and aspiration for a better tomorrow. However, the significance of election gaze by one just casting a ballot. It is about participation, engagement, and responsibility. It's our duty as citizens to educate our lives about the candidates and the issues at stake. With must engage in discussion, attend town halls, and ask questions. Our democracy thrives when we are informed and involved. Let us not forget the sacrifices made by those who vote for our right to vote. Many have struggled and endure hardships to ensure. Let us not forget the sacrifice made by those who fought for our right to vote. Many have struggled and endure hardship to ensure that we can exercise this fundamental right. It's our responsibility to honor their legacy by participating in the electoral process. As we are approach the upcoming election, I agree each and every one of you to take this opportunity seriously. Encourage your friends and family to vote, share an information, and make your voice heard. Remember, every vote counts, and together we can create you can create the change we wish to see. In conclusion, let us embrace the power of our vote. Let us stand unit our commitment to democracy and the values we hold dear. Together we can shape a brighter future for our sleep and generation to come. Thank you.